Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will start a series on problems on continuity equation. Now this is a problem which has come in GATE XC 2014, very important one. It says a two-dimensional velocity field is given by V is equal to 10 into y cube minus x square y of I plus 2c xy square j, where I and j are the unit vectors in the direction of rectangular Cartesian coordinates x and y respectively. If the flow is incompressible, the constant c should be. Now let us solve this problem. Okay. The thing is, whenever the velocity is given, we have to know that whatever is attached with I, that is u, and whatever is attached with j, that is v. So in a two-dimensional incompressible flow, the continuity equation becomes dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Now this implies my dou u by dou x would be equal to minus dou v by dou y. Now dou u by dou x here will come as minus 10 into 2xy, and here in this side it will become minus of 2c into 2xy. Now if I compare this 2c and 10 is similar, so my c should be equal to 5. So the answer is C here. Thank you very much.